Many congratulations to all the 12th commerce students or 12th science students or 12th art students, whoever you are, for clearing your board exams. Today we are going to have a discussion about what career options you can choose, commerce career options which you can choose after your 12th standard. Many of you might be confused about which stream to take, and I hope this video will definitely provide you a guidance regarding that. Coming to the topic, what career options are we going to look at after your 12th standard? What comes next? So, see, the board exams marks, I don't know how much it matters currently in this today's world, because you know what actually matters is what you choose after your 12th class. The board marks actually do not decide your future. Choosing the right direction after your 12th class is going to decide your future. And that is why I am here to guide you about a broad range of options, 4 to 5 options precisely, which you can choose, which are high rewarding and in demand in today's world in India, right? First option which I am going to talk about is the chartered accountancy course. Now, if you are confused about which course to take in whichever whatever 5 options I am going to discuss, you can still talk to your seniors, your relatives, your friends through LinkedIn and discuss with them what actually work they are into, because you might not know what interest area is best for you, right? I would say here, if you are interested in accounts, then you can go for chartered accountancy course. If you are interested in law or a theory oriented subject you are okay to go with, then you can go for company secretary. But you might not be clear about your interest currently. So what you can do is talk to the seniors who have already done CS or who are in the process of doing CS. Find some friends who are doing cost accountancy. Find someone, not necessarily friends, but talk to such people as far as you can and then take the decision, right? So after that you will definitely have a fair idea about where your interest lies, and accordingly then you can choose. So if your interest area is into accounts or taxation, law and finance, a broad interest you have, you are not sure about which of the subjects, but you know that you have interest in these 3-4 subjects, you can, like, you are finding these subjects interesting, you can even check out the institute's website and look into the syllabus, then you will realize maybe. And if you're sure that you do not want to go into a very specific topic like only the Companies Act area or the secretarial practice area, then CS is not for you, but CA is the option you can consider, because it gives you more options, more areas into which you can dive after becoming a CA, right? So the core areas which a CA works into is accounts, taxation, law, finance, and the key facts which you should know is CA foundation is a very tough entrance, and it is not like an entrance, but it is the first level of chartered accountancy course, and it is a fact that it is a tough exam. So you should have a reality check for it. You should work towards CA foundation, your first level, very thoroughly, not like your 12th board exams. It is a very professional exam, and so the expectation is different, so accordingly you should prepare for it. The dual qualification, that means you can pursue it along with your BCom course. It is a long term commitment, it can take up to 4 years, 4 to 5 years, if you have to give any repeat exam if you do not clear in the first go. Consistency and discipline, mark my words, this is the most important thing. Consistency and discipline is what you will require the most, even more than your aptitude in the CA course. Okay, consistency and discipline. If you are not a person who is consistent in your studies, this course is not going to be for you. It will take lot of efforts from you if you are not a consistent person, and by lot of efforts I mean you might think of giving up, but giving up at a point of time. So it is best for students who enjoy finance and can stay long term into long term commitment. Then CMA and CS, what is the difference? CMA foundation is for you, CMA exam is for you if you are interested in these things. Research about these things, know what is costing, what is budgeting, what are the roles available in the market for these things, and then you, whatever subject you find interesting, accordingly you can choose whether CMA, CS or CA. You can go for CMA if you are interested in costing, budgeting, business numbers, financial decision making, internal cost control. And you can go for company secretary if you are someone who find law and compliance to be of your interest, if you find that company regulations are the things that you can look into. Corporate governance if you are someone who can focus on theory heavy curriculum. And if you are someone who can go into law oriented topics, you are interested in learning law, then company secretary is for you. Along with the above three options, I am giving you a fourth options, and I would suggest think over this option. Maybe not many people will suggest you this, but it is something which in this current situation where the world is heading, skill based learning is most important. If you only have a BCom degree or BBA degree, it is okay if you have certain skills which are in demand currently. And what are those skills? I will give you few options. So what you can do is you can do BCom, and along with it you will have a lot of time, so you can improve on your skills and even start freelancing on these skills. Once you develop the skill set, you can do your own freelancing work. A degree alone is no longer enough. Companies look at skills also. So Bachelor of Commerce is a very flexible degree which will give you ample amount of time to develop your skills. You can learn the practical skills. You can do short courses while doing your college, and you can get real exposure by doing freelance work, by getting internships along with doing your BCom, right? I am saying all this has to be done along with BCom. Now, what courses, short courses can you do? You can do courses related to digital marketing. It can be social media, branding, content creation, advertising. You know, it is in lot of demand nowadays. I myself look for various people who can help me out in, say, video editing, in thumbnail designing, and this field is growing immensely. So develop this skill set. Video editing, high demand for your YouTube videos, Instagram videos, creator economy. Advanced Excel, this is something a commerce student must know. The things which are developing into AI and Excel integration, AI and PowerPoint integration. Learn these various things using short courses. AI tools, whatever is specific to your industry, commerce industry, there must be different courses out there in the market. Try a bit first. You can also learn from YouTube. There are various courses available on YouTube also, and deep dive into these AI courses and get some real skills which will help you to, like, you know, even if you are doing video editing, AI can help you. Even if you are doing content creation, AI can help you. Even if you are doing like any of the freelance works or anything, for each and every domain there is a AI tool nowadays. So learn the AI tools and develop mainly on your communication skills. If till now you have not paid importance to your communication skills, I am telling you, in the real world out there, when you will go for earning, when you go for business, even for business or even for job, what is most important are your communication skills. So develop your communication skills, participate in different competitions, get your real personality groomed. Okay, so these are the new age skills which you should focus on along with doing a graduation course. Okay, and that graduation course, now you can even do BBA. BBA is also a good option if you are interested, if you are someone who likes managing people, who likes to work with teams, and who is a person who can take leadership. Okay, so interest areas, if your interest areas are business, management, marketing, entrepreneurship, you can go for BBA instead of BCom. That is also a very good option instead of BCom. You can get leads to different options, like you can get into management roles after you are done with BBA. You can go for MBA. You can get other corporate careers, and you can start your own business as well if you have a business idea. Because you are doing BBA, you are learning the theory, you can immediately start with your own ventures. Alongside, you can develop your own skills, right? So if you are someone who is interested into this, who finds whatever I am saying in this particular field, if you're finding it interesting, then you can go for BCom plus skills or BBA plus skills or BBA plus any business, right? So short but sweet, I have kept this video and I have summarized it for you. If you are someone who is sure that you want to go into accounts and finance, then CA or CMA. If you want to go for law, then CS or law. And if you want to go for management side, then BBA. And if you want flexibility of anything, then BCom plus different skills. Golden rule is, whatever degree you choose, add at least one valuable skill alongside that degree. That is of utmost importance nowadays than anything else. So I hope this video helps you. All the best, and choose your options wisely. Talk to different seniors and then take the decision, because talking to different people and putting your time, investing your time now is the best thing you can do, rather than feeling regret after taking the decision and in the middle of the journey, right? So all the best.